Imagine waking up to an emergency broadcast. A giant asteroid, larger than Mount Everest, is on a direct collision course with Earth. Scientists confirm impact is inevitable. Panic erupts worldwide. Governments declare martial law. 24 hours left. The countdown begins. Some people rush to their loved ones while others loot stores, thinking money and power still matter. The internet crashes as people desperately search for answers. The president makes one final speech. May humanity be remembered. 12 hours left. The Great Collapse. Cities are on fire. Highways are jammed with cars going nowhere. Some turn to prayer. Others drown themselves in distractions. Drugs, alcohol, music. Scientists launch last-minute missiles at the asteroid, but they fail. The world waits. 6 hours left. The last broadcast. TV screens flicker. A news anchor, barely holding back tears, says, "This will be our final broadcast. There is nowhere to run. No rescue mission." Then, the world falls silent. 3 hours left. The world holds its breath. Time slows down. The chaos fades. People finally accept the inevitable. Some sit on rooftops watching the stars one last time. Others whisper apologies to those they once took for granted. 1 hour left. The sky turns red. The asteroid is now visible, burning across the sky like a second sun. Birds stop flying. The wind dies. The air feels heavy. Some cry, others just sit in silence, staring at the horizon. 30 minutes left. The final goodbyes. Tears dry up. Words feel heavier. There's no time left for regrets, only for love. Parents hold their children a little tighter. Best friends sit side by side in silence. Strangers embrace, knowing that in these final moments, humanity is one. Final 10 seconds, a final whisper. The sky ignites. A blinding light swallows the horizon. Then, silence. The earth goes dark. A child asks, "Will it hurt?" A mother hugs her tightly. A couple holds hands. Friends laugh through their tears. In the final second, all that's left is love. Then, impact. If this really happened, how would you spend your last 24 hours? Let us know in the comments.